What's up, pranksters? Finally, I bring you a brand new prank video. This video was supposed to be shot and uploaded about a week ago, but sadly I got caught up in other things and I was not able to get it out to you guys. Every day it was on my to-do list, but something always came up and I just couldn't do it. So here we are, and as I mentioned in my behind the scenes video, if you haven't, go check it out. I mentioned that the food was bought about a week ago also, so some of the stuff that you're gonna see looks pretty old, but it doesn't matter because it's just a demo. I'm not really gonna eat it, but as you can see, the bananas right here, they're about a week old. I'm gonna be using these for this video. So yeah guys, don't get upset. You can still pull off this prank with newer, fresher food. Just that mine looks kind of nasty right now. But like I said, either way, it's still gonna work. So if you guys wanna learn how to do some fast food pranks, check it out. Let's begin with our first prank, and our first victim is gonna be this box of chicken. Yes, this is KFC, and I wouldn't say this is my favorite kind of chicken, but it's still good and I still like to eat it. So I went out and I bought me pretty much a full meal right here. It's got 3 pieces of chicken, coleslaw, and mashed potatoes with the biscuit, of course. Now, let's say one of your family members loves chicken, right? But they don't like spicy stuff. Well, we're gonna mess with their chicken just like that. Now, if you take a piece of chicken, like right here, there's a lot of skin right there. This chicken doesn't look spicy at all, but we're gonna make it spicy and I'm gonna show you how. Get your favorite hot sauce, but yeah, make sure it's really spicy, and dump it onto a container like this one. Now I'm doing this because I'm gonna use a syringe to extract some of that hot sauce, like this one right here. It's funny because this is a Halloween prop, but it actually works. So I'm just gonna suck out some of that hot sauce like this. Now this is where it gets tricky. You're gonna grab the piece of chicken and you're gonna lift up the skin carefully though. So yeah, it works better if the chicken was fresh, unlike mine that's kind of cold right now, just because, as I mentioned, it's been in the fridge for a week. And I do apologize for that, guys, but I had to do something. Of course it was video related, so you'll get to see that soon. Once you have your hot sauce ready, you're gonna squeeze it inside the skin. So just squeeze it gently. Now close up the skin. And as you can see, there's nothing there. And as you can see, it looks like a normal piece of chicken, but the hot sauce is right here. So don't squeeze it because it will come out. Now I added just enough for like a couple bites. So let's say next time your victim takes a bite out of this chicken and your victim hates hot sauce, hates spicy things, then this prank is perfect for them. Here I have a Big Mac. Yes, this came from McDonald's. So if you open it, there you have it, a Big Mac. As I've been saying, it's pretty old food. It's about a week old. I don't know if it's still edible. I'm pretty sure some of you would still eat it. I probably would if I was really hungry. Thankfully, I already ate, so I'm not tempted to take a bite out of this, because otherwise I would probably be eating it right after I do the demo. Anyways, guys, for this prank, you're gonna go and buy yourself a Big Mac. Now, let's say your friend sent you out to get him a Whopper. So next time you go and get yourself a Whopper, save the wrapper like I did, because we're gonna use it for this prank. And this prank is very simple. It's actually a 2-part prank, meaning that it works in 2 different ways. First off, you're gonna grab a Whopper wrapper. Oh, that rhymes, Whopper wrapper. All right, you open it up. And then you're gonna put your Big Mac inside the Whopper wrapper. Haha, I like saying that, Whopper wrapper. But before you put it on there and close it, you're actually gonna do a little inside out burger prank. So you're gonna take the top bun and the bottom bun. Now the bottom bun is already, the patty's already attached to the bun because the cheese already melted, so it's attached. So you flip it over, so now the patty becomes the bun becomes the patty, the meat or whatever you want to call it. The center bun stays right there. Take the patty, you take the other bun, the one that's supposed to be on top. Now you have a inside out burger, just like that, pranksters. And then this will be wrapped in the wrapper of the Whopper. So do that. There you have it, pranksters. I don't know what's worse, thinking you're getting a Whopper or the fact that it's inside out. What's worse, pranksters? Let me know. This is a very simple prank. It's not gonna ruin their food. Of course, they just gotta arrange the pieces and put it back to normal, but yeah, it's still edible. Nobody's gonna get hurt. Nobody's food is gonna get damaged. It's just a little prank that you can do on your loved ones. But yeah, I probably would get upset thinking I was getting a Whopper and then it ends up being a Big Mac. You may or may not consider this a fast food prank, but these are tamales right here. I don't know about you guys, but where I live, a lot of people sell these. You don't have to go to a restaurant to get these. Pretty much, somebody's always at a parking lot selling them, or sometimes a guy riding a bike sells them. Now, what I have here are some really, really good tamales. And I'm not just saying that because my mom made them. They're really, really good. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to tamper with a tamale. And for that, you're gonna need some bananas, but not this old though. So I'm gonna get a fresher looking banana because this one is gonna look pretty nasty. All right, so here's a tamale. I got the smaller one because it'll be easier to work with. So all you gotta do is unwrap it. It's gotta be the green chili chicken tamale like this one. It's pretty light. Now that the wrap is empty, we're gonna put a banana in here and pass it off as a tamale. It works really great, so check it out, guys. Here I have a better looking banana, and if you open it up and you compare it to the tamale, they look pretty similar, right? So we're just gonna put it on here and mold it into a tamale shape. So about 3/4 of a banana would work, or maybe half, depending on the size. So just smash it in there, mold it as best as you can. All right, pranksters, look at this. A banana tamale. They'll never know. So your victim might be expecting a yummy tamale and they'll end up eating a banana. But then again, a banana is more nutritious, so it might not be that bad, right? So wrap it up and put it back with the rest of the bunch. They'll never know, pranksters. The following prank is for those of you that love Chinese food, and this right here is actually orange chicken. When it comes to Chinese food, orange chicken is my favorite, so that's why I decided to tamper with it. This looks very delicious, right, pranksters? Well, we're gonna tamper with this food, and another way you can set up a prank with this is we're gonna add some donut holes inside. Believe me, they will blend in pretty well with that orange chicken. So you get yourself a couple donut holes, and these are very good actually. So you try to mold them whatever shape the orange chicken is in. Sometimes they're round like this, or sometimes they have weird shapes like this. So try to mold it into whatever shape the orange chicken is in, and then you put it inside, just like that. You're gonna pass off these donut holes as orange chicken. So do your best to mold just like the tamales. Now I don't know what this is gonna taste like, because yes, orange chicken is good, the sauce is great, and this is also good, but I don't know if it'll mix together really well, so the taste might change completely. Well, it will change, but who knows if it'll be good or bad. So just squeeze it and just dump it in. I'm gonna add about 5 pieces, just like that. Whoa, what happened to the spoon? Oh man, I didn't even notice the spoon. Oh, now that you have your donut holes in there, you're gonna mix it up with the sauce, just like that, pranksters. And now you guys can't tell which is which, right? Look at that. Can you guys tell which is the donut holes and which is the chicken? I really can't, honestly. I really can't. Look at that. Perfection right there. Now you just give it to one of your friends or one of your family members, and yeah, they'll be eating chicken, and then when they get to the donut hole, it might not taste so good, or it might taste better. Who knows? I'm not gonna try it just because I'm full right now, but yeah, guys, let me know if this prank works for you guys. Boom. Yep, it's that heavy. I got this burrito at Taco Bell. Pretty heavy. Look at that. You'd have to have a big stomach to be able to eat this burrito. I like that the wrapper has the Taco Bell logo on it. It'll make this prank seem more legit. So here you have a burrito. It looks pretty good, right? Sadly, this burrito was in the fridge for a week. If it wasn't, then I'd probably save it and eat it later, but it's too old to eat right now. Anyways, let's say your friend or one of your family members sent you out to get some food, or you went with one of your parents to get the food, and if that person's not there when you get home with the food, here's a fun way you can tamper with their burrito. Let's say you eat your burrito early and you have the wrapper right here. Well, take their burrito and save it somewhere else. You're not gonna need it right now. If you have tortillas at home, it'll come in very handy. You're gonna need some tortillas for this prank. I'm gonna get myself one, place it over the wrapper. Of course, it's good to heat it up because it's easier to work with, otherwise it'll break apart. Now you're also gonna need some balloons, and this prank is similar to the Subway prank that I pulled off a few months ago. You're gonna need one of these long balloons right here. So fill it up with water. Something about this size right here will do. Now you're just gonna place it on the tortilla like this. And if you have some spare beans, you might wanna dump some in there. So if you find these in the fridge, then go ahead and use them. And then maybe some hot sauce just to give it a little taste. All right, that'll do. Now you're just gonna wrap it up. So there you go, pranksters. If you're an expert at wrapping up burritos, then this shouldn't be hard for you guys, but I'm actually gonna struggle here just a little bit. Yeah, this burrito looks legit, right, pranksters? I mean, obviously it's not grilled like this one, so the top isn't really as brown as this one, but you know, it'll do. And then you wrap up the burrito with the wrapper. I think this is how you do it. And that's it, pranksters. You have yourself an awesome prank right here. All you do now is leave the burrito wherever you know your victim is gonna get it, and make sure you put a knife there next to it. The knife is needed because you're gonna have to get your victim to cut in half the burrito, and of course once they do that, the balloon will pop and it'll just scatter all over the place. So let me show you guys a little demo. I'm gonna unwrap it just like that, then take the knife and cut it in half, and here are the consequences. Oh no, my burrito! That's gotta be a big disappointment right there. As you can see, the balloon will pop instantly. Honestly, I think it'll pop if they were to take a bite out of it, but I would not recommend you pull off the prank that way. It might be a hazard right there, so be careful when doing this prank. And if you know your victim doesn't cut the burrito with a knife, then please do not attempt to do this prank. Always try to prank in the safest way possible so nobody gets hurt. That's it, pranksters. 5 fast food pranks you guys can do on friends and family. I feel kind of bad for ruining that food, but I also don't feel that bad because I know that food's already, I don't think it's good anymore. Yes, it's a waste of food, but you know, I didn't spend too much on it, so don't worry about it, guys. But yeah, so what do you guys think? Did you guys enjoy these pranks? Please, if you try them, let me know. Okay, so I also wanted to make mention of the mask giveaway that I'm doing for you guys right here. All you gotta do is go to that video where I made mention of that giveaway and leave a comment. And like I said, I just pick them randomly. You don't have to say the smartest, nicest things, but you just gotta leave a comment. That's all it takes. But I do appreciate the nice comments you guys have been leaving me. They're pretty nice. I love reading them all. But yeah, guys, I really do appreciate you guys' comments, and I really do appreciate you guys' support for the last year. It's really awesome how much we've grown over the last year, and I just want to keep it going. So I'm gonna try and upload more for you guys. Of course, Halloween is coming up, so be sure to check out my channel for those Halloween pranks and hacks. They're already up there. There's some of them from last year and the years prior. So if you want some ideas for Halloween, check out my older videos. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be a Halloween video. So look out for that one. Subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching. Here I bring you 5 pranks that you can do using snacks. What we're gonna do with the knife is just basically cut off the top layer. So it should be as small as this, and then you're just gonna put it inside the container where the cupcake was. All you gotta do is pull on the flaps that are on the side, like that, and on the other side, and then also the top. So it should look like this. And when they try to push up, they'll have yogurt on their hand. This is nasty. This is something I would definitely not want to drink.